The discussion on the joint exploration for oil and gas has been going on for many, many years. But of course, it gained prominence, the discussion gained prominence in the recent past when we had our energy emergency. And we started to think, well, we have to find ways so that should something like this happen again, where the supply of petroleum products is cut, the prices go up, and the effects that it has on the daily lives of our people and the economy of the country is deeply affected. We have to find new ways. So that's why, as I said, this discussion has gained prominence. And where are we at now? I think we have moved forward. There were several issues from the beginning that we are slowly working through. And I can see a distinct possibility that there will be such joint exploration. It is just in terms of the terms of reference of what we are going to do. Like any joint venture, G2G, or if it is purely commercial, you have to define between yourselves, between the parties, the terms of reference. That's what we are doing now, and we're working through them, and we're making progress.
Would it be within your term, sir?
I'm sorry?
Would it be possible to happen within your term?
To have a
joint oil and gas exploration with China
certainly,
within your term?
Certainly. The Philippines needs additional supplies of oil and gas, and we need to explore the possibilities that we have in the Philippines, in the West Philippine Sea, and whatever else we can take advantage of. So. Yes, definitely. We wouldn't be making these discussions. We wouldn't be having these discussions if it was not with a view to actually, at the end, having such a joint operation.